How to check AirPod battery life. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to check AirPod battery life. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. So if not, simply go to settings and scroll down to general. Once you're in general, click on software update right here and then make sure that you're connected to either Wi-Fi or your mobile data. And then make sure to wait for it to load and click on download and install if you have the latest version available on your software update. So simply wait for it to load, and then once you have done downloading and installing your update, you may now go to your home screen, for example, right here. So there are actually two ways in seeing the battery life of your AirPod. So the first one is by tapping anywhere on the home screen. So make sure you tap on the blank part of the home screen. So press and hold and click on the plus button right here found on the upper left corner of the screen and type in battery right here. So click on batteries and then choose the format that you want or style that you want. So for example, I'll choose this one. So press and hold into that widget and then press in or place it on the home screen. So as you can see right here, I may be able to see both the batteries of my iPhone and also the batteries of my AirPods. So you may also go to the leftmost part of home screen. So right here, you may click anywhere on the spaces between right here. And then press and hold anywhere and click on plus and search once again for batteries. So you may do the same thing, choose the style that you want, press and hold onto that widget or style, and then put it on your widget section. So click on done, and again, you may be able to see the percentage of your iPhone as well as your AirPods. So that's it. That's how you can check AirPod battery life. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.